Hello everyone, it's Nick from Universally Idiotic. So I bought this game yesterday, and I've just kind of been screwing around with it. It's Universal Sandbox 2 or Universal Sandbox, Universe Sandbox Squared. Anyways, so here's the small little model of the solar system that I'm promptly going to try and fuck up. So just gonna increase the mass here and huh. It says it went Nova. I guess. So I fucked up the orbits at least, but okay. So with this game, it's been in early access for a long time actually, because I think I saw videos of this a year ago, but I finally just decided to look into it. So let's have a little bit of fun here. Just gonna slow this down a bit, zoom in, and let's go. Yeah, it's always really fun to look at. But let's go a bit more ridiculous. How about you two? Yeah, it's and then like half of these particles are going to go flying out, and the other half are going to fly back in. I can also use this chart to see what the biggest objects are and what the smallest ones are. Um, you can also just track the trails of certain items, or you can instead track orbits instead, but currently that's not as useful. Um, Alright. I've never tried this one. Okay, now what about the Earth? What, is the moon the only thing to explode, or are you going too, buddy? Anything? Nope. Okay. You can also add rings to stuff. So there's a lot you can add. You can add galaxies, planets, asteroids, anything like that. You can choose to make them orbit or be um, in a binary system. You can make them still, or you can launch them at things. But there's a lot to be fun. There's a lot of fun to be had here. Let's see if I can find it. Here we are. Ladies and gentlemen, a sphere of moons. Okay, let's see how bad this gets. And things are already crashing into each other. Oh, poor Jupiter. And then there's like even more things you can do with planets in general. So let's say we want to terraform Mars. We're just gonna leave that there, and then what we can do is we can just click on it. We can leave the mass the same, but we can change with the climate and what it's made of. So in this case, what we're going to do is add more water to it. Add a little bit more atmosphere, a little bit more water, and then it won't do anything right away, so this is where the throwing planets thing is really fun. So, can I get something? Yeah, let's just throw Halley's Comet into the damn thing. Okay. You know what? Screw it. Sorry, Pluto. Alright, let's hit the other side too, real quick. There we go. Okay. Oop, okay, alright, that's enough. We'll just zoom in on Mars, and then let's speed this up. Alright, climate. There's a certain way to... Nope. Huh. Usually works, like... I figured this out before. Okay. I have a better idea. Alright. Let's try this again. Alright. It's warming up. Warming up. And now it's cooling back down again. Alright. Okay. I think the problem is it's currently losing atmosphere. Is there... Climate. Okay. Yeah, it keeps losing atmosphere. Alright. Let's see what the pressure for Earth is. Okay. Okay. So that's not working. Climate. Oh, wait. Okay. Materials? Oh, magnetic field. How big is the Earth's magnetic field? Alright, let's try and just copy that real quick. Okay, now that we have that going, density, hydrogen, okay, climate. Okay, so whoa, what? Okay. Okay, so I tried for a couple minutes off camera and it's not working. So let's just see what happens if we just fuck with the sun instead. So Let's just give this the massive... Ooh. Okay. Let's see what this does. Let's just speed this up a bit. Okay, I really don't like the overlap between Earth and Mars right there. It doesn't seem good. Let's just keep increasing this and see what happens. So Mercury is staying the same, but everything else is getting closer. Oh boy. Oh, oh boy. Let's just keep increasing this. We're just going to keep increasing the density until something happens. Basically, I want to see if I can collapse this thing into a black hole. Okay, well, fuck it. 50. Oh boy. Did I break everything? Is yours still moving? Screw it. That's a good way to get a black hole started, alright. Yeah. Let's see if we can put a moon sphere around that. Oh boy. Oh, that's gonna be fun. So, what's gonna happen first? Is my computer gonna crash, or is everything else going to? Oh, jeez. I mean, it looks nice at least. I'm just surprised not everything's flying towards the black hole quite yet. Man, this is ridiculous. Oh, there they go. Let's change the view. Orbits. Okay. That looks cool. Alright, so I've basically run out of ideas for today, just because some of the ones I set up I've completely forgotten about, so whatever, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll do a couple more in the future, maybe once I figure out how to do more it'll be interesting, but like, I really don't know what I'm going to do outside of that. It's just this is cool to kind of screw around with, and it's something I'll do from time to time just because it's nice, and sometimes it's just really cathartic to throw planets into each other. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. like, comment, subscribe, or do whatever the hell you want, and I will see you all later.